19 degrees this morning. Fire in the hole. Got us a tree here leaning over top of this camper and over top of this house. We're gonna see if me and Aaron can pull it off. Boy, I tell you, I really love getting myself in these situations. I think that means it's break time. We finally got everything done on this side of the house. Got a bunch of stuff on this side of the house we got to do now, and there's a lot more involved over here. Dog pen, carport. The house is still a factor. I mean, look at all the stuff underneath that carport. He's got his boat, riding lawnmowers, wood stove. There's another carport down there with a Kubota tractor in it. There's an old Ford pickup sitting down there. It never ends.